team. There are limited respawns until the car is unlocked. Unfortunately, our trunk broke, but we're going to have the bomb inside the back.
So once the back door, one of the back doors is open, that's when there will be no more respawns.
There's a keyhole on each of the front doors. That's how you open the car. You need to open the door to unlock the back. You take the bomb to the enemy spawn. As soon as the car is open, there are no more respawns. We will announce when there are no more respawns. Are there any questions? If you have the bomb...
Yeah, I got a question. Where do you take the bomb after you get it?
Enemy spawn.
Why is the trunk broken?
Someone broke it.
Idiot broke it.
They broke a key off in it or what? How the fuck?
The key is when the key goes in, the key go in.
If you have the bomb and you are shot, you drop the bomb where you are shot and you exit the field.
The bomb is
Same
heavy,
goes
though.
for the key. Yeah.
Where do puppies come from?
Mama puppies.
Mama puppies.
Alright guys, go ahead and go to your spawns.
Next team's gonna be good.
Alright guys, it's infinite respawns. Do not be afraid to get out there. You get shot, you come right back and start over. Do not be afraid to get out there. I don't want to see a bunch of people just sitting back here. I've seen several games before, man. I come up with like 8 people back here. It's like, what the fuck you doing? Get out there.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go Glades since infinite respawn.
Go look for the key.
Alright.
Hey, who's gonna win, you or the other team? Yeah, I'm gonna go for what? That tournament thing. I don't know, man. I've never played against him before.
Alright, so what are we doing this game? Who's going where?
I'm gonna go look for the key.
I'm going Glades.
Shot latency or laundry and just start covering the garage. But I need some people in port so they can push that side up and then I'll have
Of course.
people this way. You're gonna move out.
And we're gonna get. You guys want to go? Those kids who went shops or that one game. You guys want to go up to the storefronts again? Just hold it down.
Eric, are you taking Glades?
I'm taking Glades.
Alright, we'll type you on port then.
Where, do you want to go for it? You want to do the shop or something?
Let's go guys. Hey, I'm gonna fire down on the bar. You're not gonna do much. Just push right over there.
Whichever one of you guys are going to the shops, one of you guys should rush 7-Eleven. So you come here, you see that beige building and then the pawn shop, there's a little hallway. You cut through that hallway, I guarantee somebody's going to run to 7-Eleven.
Yep.
Watch it. So
I'm gonna slide right up under that boathouse and watch the 7-Eleven. Yeah.
these guys leave early. They leave early. Hey, where are you guys?
Yeah, I always like that loadout, man. It's fun. You get the 2 P99s and the Walther shotgun, so it's all in sync with each other. What I do with when I'm dual, I just like put one ahead of the other and just so it's ahead of one BB's ahead of the other, so it's just like covering a whole area. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's better to save them till there's no more respawns and then they're done. So just get them and then they go respawn. So,
Are you going underneath?
yeah. Dude, this pistol's pissing me off. Let's switch the other pistol.
Watch that door, watch out.
Go, respawn, respawn. Did I hit you? Okay. I thought I hit you, I wasn't sure.
Oh no. Oh, we came out of the corner, I don't know if we hit each other or not.
Hit, hit, hit. Got a bunch in 7-Eleven, got a bunch in 7-Eleven. I'm coming back with a grenade. Come back with a grenade. They got a bunch in 7-Eleven. Dude, I'm completely out of ammo, both pistols, man. They're not working. This sucks. Shotgun only. Fucking pump shotty. I cleared that 7-Eleven. The grenade that dudded in here, I kicked it in here and it blew. That shit was sick.
Where's the key?
I don't know. I haven't seen it. I haven't been looking for it either.
Are you serious?
Shot you in the leg! Behind the car!
Watch out, there's one at black car.
Yep. Hit. Ow! Back of the head. Ow! God damn it. Coming up that boathouse. They're coming up that boathouse. They're all in that boathouse right there, dude. Keep that boathouse covered. Keep that boathouse covered. I'm gonna throw a grenade up in there. You know what? Fuck this. We're all dead. You're still in here. It's blew up the room. This blew up in the room right here.
I hit you first though. Here.
Yeah, I know, but the grenade I let go of. Suicide move. That was a sick suicide move. I slid up there and just threw the grenade up in the air. Woo. Dude, I'm running out of options on guns, dude. I gotta go grab my other gun. Dude, I gotta go grab another gun, dude. All my pistols are fucking up on me. This one's still straight. This one's fucked up. Call it. Dude, call that. At the stairs right there, you are out. Thank you. I got this.
Hold on.
Anybody got the key yet?